Garlic is a highly potent natural antibiotic with numerous health advantages. However, several individuals are unaware of the most effective methods for using garlic to treat diverse illnesses and access its myriad benefits. The exceptional health advantages one can attain from garlic, referred to as the golden health benefits, could significantly improve one's life if taken correctly, as elaborated in this video. Welcome to Healthy Habits, your go-to channel for all things wellness and lifestyle. Whether you are a long-time subscriber or stumbling upon healthy habits for the first time, I invite you to join me on this journey. Watch the entire video, and let's embark on a path towards a healthier, happier, and more vibrant you. Garlic possesses a remarkable quality as a potent antibiotic effective against various infections caused by bacteria, viruses, or fungi. Unlike most antibiotics that are specific to particular infections, such as bacterial, fungal, or viral, garlic stands out by effectively combating all three types of microorganisms simultaneously, displaying its exceptional strength and efficiency. The most effective approach for utilizing garlic is through its raw form, rich in allicin, a compound with a unique taste and aroma, containing sulfur linked to numerous health advantages. Research indicates that cooking garlic leads to a significant reduction in allicin content and other active substances, diminishing the nutritional benefits. Therefore, we'll highlight the two optimal methods to consume raw garlic, ensuring maximum nutritional value and a multitude of health benefits. The initial method involves swallowing a complete garlic clove, preferably on an empty stomach. It's vital as garlic doesn't adversely impact the stomach. By swallowing it whole, the garlic remains intact until it reaches the alkaline medium of the intestines. In this environment, garlic disintegrates, releasing active substances, particularly allicin. This marks the true efficacy of garlic, as allicin acts as an antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal agent, along with addressing intestinal worm problems and colon infections. Various research demonstrates that garlic aids in reducing inflammation, serving as an antioxidant, and amplifying cortisone's function, an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant hormone. Allicin, a compound in garlic, also bolsters immune system functions and reduces bad cholesterol levels. An alternative way to consume garlic is by crushing or chewing it. This method reduces allicin's potency due to its breakdown, leading to the typical garlic smell. However, it unveils various organic sulfur compounds and antioxidants that assist in improving blood circulation, heart health, cholesterol regulation, and triglyceride reduction. To maximize the health benefits of garlic, it's essential to determine the best approach. While swallowing whole garlic cloves doesn't offer full advantages for heart health, artery function, or weight loss, it remains beneficial by reducing inflammation, acting as an antioxidant, and lowering cholesterol. Consuming crushed or chewed garlic releases multiple sulfur compounds and antioxidants, fostering better blood circulation, heart health, and reducing triglycerides. This method also aids in cleansing the liver of fat accumulation, particularly within the organs. Mashed garlic is especially recognized as a catalyst for burning fat accumulated in organs, notably the liver. Combining both methods is key. Start the day by ingesting a whole clove of garlic on an empty stomach, followed by consuming mashed or chopped garlic with meals, particularly during lunch. Drinking sufficient water with this combination allows for the comprehensive acquisition of most of garlic's health benefits, establishing a holistic system for overall health and well-being. Before we conclude today's video, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for joining us on this journey towards better health and wellness. Your support means the world to us, and we're thrilled to have you as a part of our Healthy Habits community. If you found this video valuable, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with friends and family who might benefit from it. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. If you value the knowledge and insights we provide and would like to support our channel in a meaningful way, please consider making a donation. Your contribution, no matter how big or small, helps us continue our work, improve our content, and reach even more people. It's your support that keeps the wheels turning and motivates us to keep creating content that matters.